Did you know 2 fake cops pulled off the biggest art heist in history in just 81 minutes? March 18th, 1990. 2 men dressed as Boston police officers knocked on the Gardner Museum doors. They told the guards there was a disturbance call. The guards let them right in. What happened next was methodical, calculated, devastating. In less than an hour and a half, they stole 13 priceless artworks worth $500 million. A Vermeer, 3 Rembrandts. They cut paintings right out of their frames. But here's the strange part. They ignored even more valuable pieces hanging nearby. They knew exactly what they wanted. The FBI believes they had inside help. Someone who knew the security system. Someone who had studied the museum for months. 34 years later, no arrests have been made. Despite a $10 million reward, despite thousands of tips, the empty frames still hang on the museum walls today. A haunting reminder of the night 2 fake cops walked in and walked out with $500 million in art and vanished forever.